Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Mercedes-Benz S55 AMG made by Norev at the 1/18 scale. This model is a limited one, I think 1,000 pieces worldwide, because of this color combination, black with cream interior. This model is made out of metal and has opening doors, trunk and hood. Also the suspension is functional, and also the steering. Let's take a closer look. In the front everything looks okay. We have the headlights, the Mercedes badge. Norev put a spare Mercedes badge in the box. The grills down here are not perforated, but still look quite decent. Let's look at the wheels. They look really nice. We have the AMG logo there and the Mercedes logo in the center. The brake discs look quite good as well. I don't like the fact that Norev didn't write AMG on the brake caliper. Also we have the V12 logo there. Next, let's look in the back. We have the stop lights looking very good. We have the Mercedes emblem, which is photo etched, and also we have the two exhausts, which are chromed. Let's take a closer look under the hood to see the engine. Pretty decent engine. Well, we have the AMG logo there and the Mercedes logo. Pretty good. A few details. Being a relative modern car, we have a lot of plastic. The engine is covered. Also we have Mercedes-Benz written here on this silver part. Let's look at the centerpiece of this model, the interior. I really like this color combination. The interior looks pretty good. We have this cream interior with the wood accents, wood trims. Also the interior is carpeted. It really feels very nice to touch. Let's look in the back as well. Quite a few details, as Norev used us with these models, with these S classes. And in the back we have a black carpet in the trunk, and also we have the triangle for emergency. Pretty good, decent details. I really like this model, how it looks. Please tell me in the comments if you like the model, if you have it in your collection or you intend to buy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.